This is the story of Cass, the little snowstorm cat who didn't just move into our house, but somehow stitched herself right into the fabric of our lives. When my fiance and I first met Cass, we had barely started settling into our new place. We didn't even have a couch yet, just a mattress on the floor and a few boxes stacked around the living room. He kept insisting we should adopt a cat because he knew how much I loved them. I kept saying, let's get a sofa first, then a cat. But all of that went out the window the moment we met her.
In my defense, I have for never leaving well enough.
She'd been found in the middle of a snowstorm here in Montana, brought into the shelter half frozen and quietly staring at everyone who passed by. And when she looked at us, something just clicked. We weren't ready for a cat, but she was ready for us. At the shelter, she seemed so docile, almost shy, but the moment she came home, the real Cass showed up. And the real Cass talks. If she wants something, she'll meow, walk a few steps, turn around to check that we're following, then meow again, like she's giving us a little tour of our own house. She doesn't sit at your feet, doesn't curl in your lap, no. She's a right up in your face kind of girl, the type who believes affection should be delivered nose first.
Good girl. Good girl.
Come to your treats spot. Good girl. Good girl.
As I'm telling the story, I can still picture those early days, Cass standing at the bedroom door, yelling at us because we dared to step into the hallway for more than 3 seconds. We tried to follow the new cat rules and keep her in one room for a week, but she had her own plan. Within 2 days, she had explored every corner of the house and declared it her kingdom.
My love.
And she has opinions, big ones, especially around feeding time. If we're even a little late, we come home to her sitting right where her bowl goes, staring at us like, really, you think this is acceptable? You haven't known judgment until you've been judged by a 5-pound cat with the confidence of a CEO. But as much attitude as she has, she's all love. When we've been out longer than usual, she greets us like we've been gone for years. She jumps onto the bed between us and squishes herself into the closest possible spot, purring like her whole body is humming. She doesn't just want closeness, she needs it. And then there are my work calls. I swear she knows the difference between a casual chat and a serious meeting. If it's important, she'll wait quietly. Sometimes at the door, sometimes right under the desk, watching with those patient eyes. And the second the call ends, she's on my lap, kneading biscuits into my shirt like she's making fresh dough. That quiet understanding, that's our bond. The slow blinks, the soft meows, the gentle way she curls her paw around my hand before falling asleep. Those are her little love letters. And I feel every one of them. Cass is tiny, smaller than most cats her age, but you'd never know it from her confidence. Put her next to a small dog and she still acts like she's the sheriff of the house. Speaking of dogs, about a year after Cass settled in, we brought home Riley, our big lanky goofball of a pup. Cass tolerated him immediately, but in her own way. She doesn't fight him. She doesn't fear him. She simply supervises him, especially when treats are involved. If he gets one, she expects one too. Fair is fair. And over time, something beautiful happened. Riley started learning from her. The way he follows us, the way he waits outside the bedroom door, the way he curls up near our feet at night, all of it started with Cass. She became his guide, his big sister, his tiny teacher. Watching the two of them together sometimes gets me emotional, because rescuing Cass brought more love into our home than we ever expected, and bringing Riley into the picture only multiplied it. The joy, the chaos, the softness, it all started with a little cat found in a Montana snowstorm. And if you've ever thought, even for a moment, about adopting, I hope you give that thought some room. There are so many animals out there waiting for someone to look at them and say, yeah, you belong with us. They don't need you to have a perfect house or perfect timing. They just need a little space, a little patience, and a little love. And sometimes the ones with the quirks, the talkers, the shy ones, the older ones end up being the ones who love the hardest. So if your home has room, even just a little, consider opening your heart to a rescue. You may think you're saving them, but I promise they'll save you right back.